So today we are going to discuss questions related to scale factor. So let us see the question. It says a map is drawn to a scale of 1 is to 10,000. Find the distance between the two railway stations which appear on the map 24 centimeter apart. And part B of the question says find the area in square kilometers of a lake which has an area of 100 centimeters square on the map. Now, when we talk about scale factor, what does it tell us? It tells us that length of the model or length of map. So length on map here divided by actual length is equal to the scale factor K, which is given to us as 1 over 10,000. Okay. Now part A of the question, if we see on the map, the distance between the two railway stations is given as 24 centimeter. So we will just replace this value. So length on map is 24 and we have to find the actual distance. So actual distance or length equals 1 over 10,000. So we'll simply do cross multiplication, and what will we get? We will get the actual distance between the two railway stations as 24 into 10,000 centimeters. Okay, so which is 240,000 centimeters. So we can write it as 240,000 centimeters. Now, mostly in these questions, we are expected to give the answer in kilometers. Okay, so now how many centimeters are there in a kilometer? What should we do? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 kilometer should be equal to 100 into 1000 and that should be the answer. So this is what we get. So 100,000 centimeter in 1 kilometer. So if I have to convert centimeter into kilometer, what should we do? We divide kilometer by 100,000, and this is the thing which we are going to use here. So when we want to find the actual distance, now we are doing actual distance and we are trying to get our answer in kilometers. So it would be 240,000 divided by 100,000. So these zeros, they cut each other. So we get 24 by 10 kilometers, which is 2.4 kilometers. So that is the actual distance between the two railway stations. Okay. So this is the way to use the information given in the question. Now when it comes to area, so when we talk about area, so what will happen in case of area? We know that area is length into breadth. So that means the scale factor is applicable for length as well as for breadth. So when we compare area of model or map to actual area, that would be equal to k square. So that's what we are going to do. So we will write area, and it is, again, let us look at the question. It says area of 100 centimeters square on the map. So area on map upon the actual area would be equal to k square. Okay. Now according to question, we are given that area on the map is 100 centimeters square. So 100 by actual area of the lake equals 1 by 10,000 square. So it is 1 by 10,000 into 1 by 10,000. Okay. Again, we simply do cross multiplication and we find that the actual area equals 100 into 10,000 into 10,000, and this is centimeter square. Why it is centimeter square? Because in the question it says the area on the map is 100 centimeter square, and they are specifically asking us to give the answer in kilometer square. Now when we say kilometer square, so we found that 1 kilometer is actually equal to 100,000 centimeter. So when we say 1 kilometer square, it means we are multiplying 1 kilometer with 1 kilometer. To convert it into centimeter, what should we do? 100,000 centimeter into 100,000 centimeter. So that is equal to 1 kilometer square. That means what? That if I want to convert centimeter square into kilometer square, which is what we are supposed to do in the question, it would be equal to 1 by 100,000 into 100,000. So many kilometers square. So let us now apply this. So actual area of the lake in kilometers square would be equal to 100 into 10,000 into 10,000 divided by 100,000 and again 100,000. So let us remove these zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these zeros, they cut each other, and the area is 1 kilometer square. This question I could have done on the calculator, but then you will not understand the conversions, okay, which is very important for solving these questions, because even though you are using calculator, you should be aware about the conversions, okay. So this is one of the question which I have solved. Now let me give you one of other question which I would expect you to solve and DM me the solution. And if you have any problem in solving, you can just ask me. So this is the question which I am going to share with you. So use the same method which I have explained above and try solving this question and DM me the solution. Thank you for watching the video. Keep following